Welcome to this fantastic opportunity for a stylish custom-built home on a quiet cul-de-sac in Lake Oswego. This beautifully remodeled home is located in a sought-after Sunny Hill neighborhood, close to excellent schools, parks, and a golf course. The professionally landscaped yard with a paver patio welcomes you home. You'll discover a light and bright interior with custom-made and hand-painted Italian tile floors, vaulted ceilings, and large windows to maximize natural light. The living room opens to an inviting, south-facing sunroom. On those cool days, you can warm up by the gas stove. The Gourmet kitchen is perfect for cooking, entertaining, and connecting with family. It features a large cooktop island with quartz counters and stainless steel appliances. You can entertain in the elegant, formal dining room. The main level master suite is a beautiful, relaxing retreat. The master bath features a double vanity, a Kohler VibrAcoutic bathtub, and a large walk-in closet. The spacious upstairs has the ultimate flex space, ideal for hobbies, a kids' play area, or a home office. On the lower level, you'll find a family room with access to a deck, plus 4 additional bedrooms. The entire interior of this home is freshly painted, and it's wired throughout for internet. The expansive backyard deck with gas hookup is ready for your summer barbecues, or just relaxing and enjoying the low-maintenance yard. Other features include a 50-year presidential roof, dual heating and cooling systems, and Pella wood windows. A gorgeous home in an excellent Lake Oswego location. It's all here ready for you to call home. To schedule your own personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582 or email steve@nassarteam.com.